The day started very normal. When I talk about the day, I mean my day as the other side of a content creator, social media entrepreneur. I tried to craft, I tried to do transcript of my videos, but in my mind I was thinking about Christmas. You guys, it's like any other job. I don't mind about my background these days. My background is totally crazy. It's true, my AC is total. I think it needs service. So it makes very heavy noise. And even if I switch it off, in United Arab Emirates, you find, okay, there are some, because we share apartments, you'll find in apartment there are like 3 to 4. So other people will be needing to put on the AC, so it affects the other side of my apartment completely. So my day was normal like this. I did not manage. I had already said I'll be bringing for you outside videos as Vlogmas videos, but today I didn't manage. But this is how my day was, and this is how it will always be when I'm to go to the other side of content creation. This is my office. I can say, is it a studio office? Call it, but it does two things. It's my office, it's my studio. So when it is not office, it's not studio, it's where I do a lot of things as far as planning is concerned. So I always do this. I always sit down. You can see in my background, that is my banner, Immaculate shop banner. It reads how to be productive with or without a salary job. Then in the background also there's that t-shirt. Those products, by the if you want t-shirts to buy, if you want to support Immaculate Show, you can let us know. Even if you want it to be customized with even with Immaculate Show logo, we can put it there. Then we have cups, we have cape, then we have pen. You can support us, you guys. So here we are in my office. It sounds so cool. You find you have a such space you can try, but it's not simple, you guys. But all my heart is thinking about is Christmas, you guys. Like today I was a bit low because I missed home. I missed my people, my beloved ones. I was just there. But I said, okay, let me bring for you the side of my office at home, what I always do. Here I was listening to some good music, worship music, yes.